welcome back to Tip Tuesday. My name is Matthew Sturkey with StoneMill Log and Timber Homes. Thanks for joining us today. Last week we talked about mechanical, plumbing, and electrical, which is MPE in the construction world. We talked about MPE in general terms last week. This week we're going to talk about some specific items, some 3 tips for each of those items, starting with mechanical. You want to invest, if you can, into a heat and air system that has programmable zones, meaning you can program each zone, have separate units or have separate zones for the system so that you have temperature within each room or within each area of the house. Programmable zones will give you the ability to heat and cool certain areas of the house more efficiently than others and not overheat and overcool certain parts of the house because it's on one system. So being able to shut off a particular room or shut off a particular floor of the house so that you're not overheating or overcooling those zones. Also, making sure that you have ceiling fans. A lot of our designs have these open vaulted ceilings. With those open vaulted ceilings, that heat will typically rise, and so those ceiling fans will help to keep that heat down in that main floor and not cause that temperature upstairs to be too high in the second floor area. So ceiling fans are really important in log home designs. The second is the plumbing considerations, and the tip of the day for plumbing is going to be to either stack bathrooms in the design if possible, or to build up the floor system. We work with a lot of our clients to do a built-up floor so that you can run your plumbing returns and supplies, and you can electrical and mechanical considerations there as well if that built-up floor is big enough. So if you're not able to stack bathrooms, the built-up floor system gives you an easy way to run that plumbing and that electrical and mechanical in that built-up floor. And then third is electrical considerations, and the tip of the day for that is to seek out a professional lighting contractor or a professional lighting vendor so that you can have everything laid out as far as your fixtures and your electrical rough end on the front end during the design process, specifically in the second floor, the timber floor system, the timber roof, and the timber porches. Those areas are areas where they have to be roughed in during our dry-in process, and so you want to make sure you have a good, effective lighting plan that is well thought out and planned out before we actually get on site to do our dry-in work. So those are the tips for the day. Programmable zones in your mechanical system, stack bathrooms whenever possible. If not, consider the built-up floor system. And then third, make sure you seek out a professional lighting contractor to develop a lighting plan before we ever start our scope of work. I hope this has been helpful today. Look forward to you joining us next week. Until then, please stay safe and healthy. Take care.